Estermindo, what are you doing? You're waiting for the birdie? Where's the birdie?
No, it's not coming.
He's not coming?
Mm-mm.
Maybe sing a song for the birdie. I hear the birdies outside.
Stop pulling, not coming.
Sing a song for the birdies and maybe they're gonna come. Yeah. Please? But he's crying. He's so sad. He wants mama. Let's see if the birdie's gonna come. See, we put some bread out right there. You hear the birdies? Okay, so fast, sing a song. Sing Hayom Yom Holadet. Yeah? Because then the birdies will come. And they won't be scared of you if you sing. So sing Hayom Yom Holadet.
Yom Yom Holadet. Yom Yom Holadet. Yom Yom Holadet. The birdie's not coming.
Yeah, birdie's gonna come. Still sing more. You hear it? The birdie's singing with you. The birdie's singing with you.
Oh.
Yeah, so sing Yom Holadet again for the birdies. Who's gonna sing with you? You hear that? He's singing. Sing Yom Holadet for the birdies. Yeah. You're sitting on a chair waiting for the birdies to come? To the window, yeah? You're cute? Estermindo, are you cute? Wait, are you telling me if you're cute?
I'm cool.
You're cute?
Yeah.
Are you gorgeous?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Who's also gorgeous?
Jessie.
Who?
Jessie.
Who?
Jessie.
Tati?
No, Jessie. Jessie.
Ketsi? Who's Ketsi? Oh, the Ketzela? You think the Ketzel's gorgeous?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Oh, so Julie.
Oh, Julie, you're so sweet. You want to go to the gun?
Yeah.
Which gun?
My gun.
Your gun?
Yeah.
Is Rahana in your gun?
Mm-mm.
No? Which gun is she in? You want to go to Rahana's gun?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You love her gun?
Where's the birdie coming?
Sing a song for the birdie. Tell the birdie, come, I'm waiting. Yeah. What's all over your pants? Play-Doh? Yeah, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I love you.
I love you.
Give a kiss.